Alright, so unpackaging this Merkury TV Backlight. Picked it up from Walmart. Real good deal. Only $10. But the tape here keeps coming off while I'm trying to unpackage it. So it's not so great. So I'm going to do is put the long end across the top of the TV. And then use these corners to get the sides down. And see how it looks when it's all installed. But first things first, you gotta be careful when you're unpackaging it, because that's the sticky part. And there's the liner that's supposed to come off with it, but it's sticking to itself instead of sticking to the tape. Alright, so here's the TV it's gonna go on, a little Vizio. So you want to check where your USB plugs are, which in my case are on this side. So I'm going to put my connector onto the right side, of course, so that it comes out real good. Alright, this TV has a nice lip here. It's about perfect for my stickers to stick. It pulled off pretty smooth. Wasn't quite perfect, but it's pretty good. And I just kind of pushed it down and secure it. So I'll just take this, rotate it. Don't put too much tension, and then I'm going to run that down the side here. Stick it onto the TV right there on that little lip that's there. So here's the before. Looks pretty cool, see? Alright, so it comes out pretty cool. A little purple for that rom-com. Teal for some sci-fi. Alright, we got blue. So the remote seems to only work when you get it all the way to the back here. We got fair yellow, and orange. Some red. Looks like we've got some brightness up and down. We got white. You really got to get the remote back there, or else it doesn't work. I mean, even right here in front, doesn't change. But once I get it behind, then it goes. So we'll go white. Turn the intensity down. Turn the intensity up. Pretty functional. Try to go to the music here. Looks like with the music it's kind of dancing to its own. So I'll try to get a TV program going and see how that music effects work. And it turns on pretty good. It's in sync fairly well with the music. We're on 4. We got 3, it's a little more hectic, moving a little faster. Ooh, 2's really fast. One's got a lot of motion. Looks like 4th one there's kind of the slowest. We got jump, fade 3. I'd say for $10, it's a pretty sweet deal. It's not blowing my mind, but it's pretty cool. Do a jump. I'd say it's a pretty good value for $10. Got a little bit of a excess here. The connector's pretty easy to plug in. It only works one way, so you can't mess it up when you plug it in. Alright, there you go. Merkury Backlight for the TV. It's a good deal. I mean, it's not the greatest, but for $10 we expect. It's pretty cool. Take it. I think it's worth it.